Do you want to know how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so don't make any mistake in this process. So it's just a single setting that you have to turn off. So the first step is to open your YouTube, and now once you are here, you have to click on your profile icon in the top right corner and click settings. It will bring you to this page right here. Now click on general, and here you want to look for the option that says restricted mode. As you can see, the restricted mode is turned on. So turn it off and it will turn to grey instead of the blue, and now you will be able to watch any videos in YouTube. Now there might be another couple of reasons why it's not still working even after you've done this. The first reason is that your YouTube account might be under the age of 18. So if you're having that problem, then just go and make another YouTube account and make sure that you make it over the age of 18, and that should fix the problem now. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.